As we continue with the course, I want to tell you why you should create NFTs. I want you to understand the full value of what NFTs can provide for you. For starters, if you're a creative artist, if you're actually creating work, this will let you protect your creative efforts through verifiable authenticity. Whoever owns your NFT is actually the owner of the work that you created. This was a huge problem for me when I was involved in the beginning with my music band. A lot of my songs were turned into MP3s and given away for free. This was huge for me. It actually destroyed my musical career because my record label couldn't make any money off of me. And at the time, they actually dropped me as an artist because they couldn't make money. My songs had all been turned into MP3s and given away for free. Now, through the power of NFTs, you're able to assign ownership of a digital asset. Very, very valuable if you're a creative artist. The next one, it gives you a new commercial product line. It's new ways for you to make money off of the art that you already make. As we saw, Grimes, the partner of Elon Musk, raised over $6 million through the sales of NFTs of her digital art. Brand new commercial product line, which you can add into how you make money from your own work. Other things you need to know is that it's very easy and affordable to create and sell your work as NFTs. You will learn how to do that here in this course. I will teach you exactly how easy and how affordable it is for you to be able to create your work and sell it as an NFT. Another thing that many people don't know is that NFTs can also be developed to actually pay you lifetime royalties even if someone actually sells your NFTs. It is possible to build in smart contracts into the NFT that if the person that you sold the NFT to actually sells it to someone else, you can get a piece of the royalties from the sale of that work to someone else. This is very, very powerful technology that's built and can be added to NFTs. Another thing that I want you to take into mind is creating multiple streams of income. A lot of people don't realize how powerful it is to have multiple streams of income. If you're used to getting paid by the hour, you have a job, you can only make money off of the 24 hours that you have in a day. And in fact, if you need to sleep 8 hours, then you can make money from the other hours of the day. But there's only one version of you. There's only one you, and it's linear. You can only work so much and you get paid per hour. When you create multiple streams of income, there's many things that are actually bringing you money. And this is one way that these NFTs, because you can create multiple NFTs, which are making money for you while you're making new NFTs. So you can create multiple streams of income. And the final point I want to point to you, which is very, very important, is that NFTs enable you to promote your work automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to a global audience. If you actually have your work and you start selling it through the various marketplaces, your pieces are available for purchase in these global marketplaces. And people around the world are being in contact and seeing your work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Very powerful use of why you should actually create NFTs.